Methylselenocysteine. Methylselenocysteine. An analog of S-methylcysteine in which the sulfur is replaced with a selenium. S-methylcysteine is the S-methylated derivative of cysteine. It is an essential trace mineral, present in living tissues in small amounts. It can be made from selenium as a dietary supplement. It is used to reduce inflammation, support healthy immune system function, thyroid health, and antioxidant activity, protecting against oxidative stress or free radicals, as well as reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. It also improves cardiovascular health, reduces the risk of stroke, and improves cognitive function. It is an inhibitor of dimethylbenz, a anthracene-induced mammary tumors, and a chemopreventive agent that blocks cell cycle progression and proliferation of premalignant mammary lesions and induces apoptosis of cancer cell lines in culture. Selenium nanoparticles can inhibit the growth of cancer cells, inducing autophagy, apoptosis, resulting in the death of cancer cells, and cycle arrest. Comparison: methylselenocysteine, more efficient at inducing apoptosis but less toxic, increasing both the apoptotic cleavage of poly-ADP ribose polymerase, PARP, and caspase3 activity. Selenite, an anion with the chemical formula CO2-3, an oxyanion of selenium, induces necrosis rather than apoptosis.